Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine.
In this video, we are making a Banana Bolt Smoothie, a fabulous caffeinated drink that you can use as your morning get up and go while still feeling grounded, or a great post-workout recovery smoothie.
Yes, we actually talked about this recipe in episodes 202 and 203 of the Naturally Nourished podcast, where we were talking about making healthy hit for teens and tweens. You can check out these episodes below. If you have a teen in your household, we talk all about processed foods, blood sugar regulation, ADHD, alternatives to Adderall and other stimulant medications, as well as tools to provide natural energy, because already at those teen ages, we see kids reaching for the ultra-processed monsters or going to Starbucks for the Frappuccinos, and this is going to be nourishing, providing protein and a balanced glycemic index.
If I had this recipe in college, it would have saved me a lot of money at Starbucks,
Yes.
a lot of excessive calories and ingredients that we don't know what they are.
Yes, and I love that it's literally making a protein shake. And for all ages, we're ensuring we always want to get enough amino acids or protein building blocks. So this will do the trick. So we're going to make a double recipe because we're going to have this as our breakfast after we make this. We're going to start with 8 ounces of cold brew. So if you're purchasing cold brew, this is going to be quite concentrated, and 4 ounces per serving will do the trick. I'm also going to dilute that a little bit with 4 ounces of water. And then the final liquid we'll add in is going to be 6 ounces of full-fat coconut milk. So we love this native forest without the guar gum or additives or stabilizers.
Here it goes. And that's going to help to really ground this beverage too with some fat, right? So
Yes.
you don't get those caffeine jitters.
No doubt. We're going to put a whole frozen banana in here. Banana is a great source of natural B vitamins, so you'll see those often in these energy drink types of alternatives. So we're getting those B vitamins, and we're getting tryptophan, which can aid in serotonin production for mood stability.
Optional to add 1 date per serving. So I've got 2 here. You want it sweet or half sweet?
How about half?
Let's
Let's
do
go
half
50.
sweet. So that's going to add a natural oxytocin mood boost, some additional B vitamins, and some great minerals and fiber.
Then we're gonna ramp up the antioxidants with cacao powder. This is gonna add, of course, chocolatey goodness on the palate, but we are getting a potent source of antioxidants to combat pollution and toxins we're all exposed to in our environment.
All right, let's whip that up and we'll add the protein powders at the end.
Once all of the ingredients are mixed, it's time to add our protein powders. So we're going to be using our Pure Collagen and our grass-fed whey. Pure Collagen is a great option for all ages because it helps with tendons and cartilage with a compound in here called Forta Gel. There's also Forta Bone in here, which can help with bone density. And that can be really important when combining with coffee, because coffee can actually reduce collagen synthesis. So by taking collagen, you could offset that, support bone, joint, and hair, skin, and nails. So we're gonna put 2 scoops into here.
Okay, so we've got our collagen in there, and then I'm also going to add 1 scoop per serving of grass-fed whey. So 2 scoops of our non-denatured grass-fed whey. This is going to be a potent source of immunoglobulins, and actually now is enhanced with additional serum bovine immunoglobulins for immune boost. And this is a fabulous way to get your protein in, especially post-workout recovery, or maybe for an athlete in college, because whey is going to be a complete protein and highly bioavailable, so it's going to help us to build and repair muscle.
Yes, in fact, research supports that leucine is required at 2.5 grams, which you get per scoop to support muscle synthesis. Really important for our athletes, as well as anyone that is over the age of 35, where we start to see muscle wasting. So let's just blend these in on low. All right, let's give it a taste.
We've poured it over ice to give it a little coffee shop vibe, put a fancy little straw in it. Let's give it a taste.
Cheers. One of my favorite ways to get your protein in, for sure.
Oh, yeah. And it's not overly sweet. You can taste the cacao, but it's kind of perfect.
I'm sure you all will love this recipe as well. It is noted in the show notes, so be sure to make it in your kitchen. Leave a comment below with how much you love it. Like this video and subscribe to the Naturally Nourished YouTube channel so you never miss out on our bi-weekly releases. Did we already smash it? Did we smash it? The like? Okay.
Smash the like button.
There we go.